Hi, welcome to my channel number 2 again. My name is Marianne, just Marianne Mew. Okay, so now on, I make this empanadas. This food I will make it today. So I need to go to party today for all peoples. This can be good. So for this time, I love it. I did this empanadas. So this can be fine and be good for something. So please everybody subscribe to me on my channel and give me thumbs up. This can be good for me. So have a nice day to